In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change budget in Taboola. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each budget type means, and how to save your changes with confidence, without disrupting your campaign performance. Start by logging into your Taboola Ads, also known as Realize account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This page is your control center for budgets, showing all your active and paused campaigns in one place, so you can quickly find the one you want to update. Next, locate the specific campaign whose budget you want to adjust. Hover over it and click the Edit icon that looks like a small pencil. That opens the Campaign Settings panel, where all the key controls live. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct campaign name and status before moving on. Now, scroll down until you see the Budget and Bidding section. This section displays your current budget type, daily, monthly, or lifetime, along with the existing amount. Daily means you set a cap for each day's spend, monthly spreads your budget across the month, and lifetime sets a total cap across the entire campaign duration. Choose the type that matches your pacing and flight dates. Make your changes carefully. If you're using a daily budget, replace the current amount with your new daily limit. If you prefer monthly or lifetime, update that figure instead. Keep in mind that switching or significantly changing budgets can influence how your campaign paces and optimizes. Large increases may accelerate delivery, while steep cuts can slow learning and reduce reach. If your campaign uses an automated strategy like maximize conversions, the system will aim to spend up to your updated budget while optimizing for your objective. A good rule of thumb is to make incremental adjustments and then give the algorithm some time to adapt before making more changes. Monitor performance closely after the update so you can fine-tune if needed. When you're satisfied with the new amount, scroll down and click Save. Wait for the confirmation or success message so you know the update was applied. If you don't see one, refresh the page and double-check the Budget and Bidding section to confirm your new number is in place. That's it, you've updated your Taboola campaign budget. Remember, choose the budget type that aligns with your goals, adjust amounts thoughtfully, and keep an eye on performance after saving. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the same spot and refine the budget again. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.